If you're looking to grow your online business and connect with potential customers, building an email list is an essential step. In this video, I'll show you how to create a comprehensive email marketing strategy using 3 different types of email lists. Hi there, my name is Alfonso and I'm an affiliate marketing expert. Today, I want to talk to you about email marketing and the importance of building an email list. Building a list isn't always easy. One of the biggest challenges is finding the right people to add to your list. That's where the concept of a cold email list comes. These are people who might have expressed some interest in your business, but who you don't establish a relationship with yet. To start building your cold email list, consider using tactics like social media or targeted outreach. The goal is to offer something of value in exchange of someone's email address. Once you have their contact information, you can start building a relationship and offering more value over time. But it's not just about building a cold list. You also want to focus on growing your warm list, who have already shown some interest in your business. This might include people who have signed up for your newsletter or downloaded a free resource. To keep your warm list engaged, make sure you're consistently offering value and building a relationship. This could mean sharing helpful tips or advice or offering exclusive discounts or promotions. Finally, you want to focus on building your buyers list, people who have actually purchased something from you in the past. These people are your most valuable customer, and you want to make sure you're continuing to offer value and build a relationship with them. By using these 3 different types of email lists, you can create a comprehensive email marketing strategy that helps you connect with potential customers and build your business over time. Remember, building an email list takes time and effort. By focusing on the right tactics and offering consistent value, you can create a powerful marketing tool that helps you grow your business and connect with your audience. And if you want to learn more about how to start building your cold email list and making commission in the process, I invite you to join our free training. Discover 3-step system that guarantees your first leads and commissions in the next 24 hours. The link in the description or swipe left and join us now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the training.